Hey beautiful people, this is your girl Tashnee.V.Mavee. So today I'm here to show you guys how to draw your eyebrows. So I'm going to be going step by step. So if you want to know how to draw your eyebrows, please stay tuned and just watch the whole video, because I'll be teaching you how to draw your eyebrows. It's simple as ABC. So just stay tuned. Love you guys. Now I'll be using this brown pencil and I'm going to go ahead and draw my eyebrows. So yes, I don't like to talk when I draw my eyebrows because I don't like to do mistakes, but I'll just, so that's this is how I draw my eyebrows. I make it to look a little bit of natural because and I always like to use, because normally you guys know that I'm always using I always use my waterproof eyeliner. So someone asked me to draw my eyebrows using an eye pencil, so I'm not going to be using my waterproof eyeliner. I'm going to be drawing it. I'm using my pencil. As you can see, check, there's no difference. You can see that, you can still see that this is my eyebrows, and you know, it's the eyebrows look natural. So I'm just going to go in with my brush and I'm just going to, you know, so that they can look defined. So there you go. So that's how you draw your, just try to fold them up. Don't, how can I put it, don't press your brush too hard. It's like my, if you can see, my eyebrows are not too dark, they're light black. They're not I can put them that they are color number 2 because they are actually not black. I've been trying to notice them even when I'm on the sunlight. They are not actually black, they're a little bit of brown, if you know, color number 2. So as you can see, and you can see that my eyebrows are not full, so that's why I like to use my waterproof eyeliner, because it makes them to look more, a little bit fuller. And I like the waterproof eyeliner because it makes my eyebrows to look natural. But just because someone asked me to use a pencil, so I'm going to use a pencil. So what you do, the first thing that you need to do, if you don't know how to draw your eyebrows and you have difficulties of drawing your eyebrows, the thing that I can tell you to do, just try to pick up your, like this. You see, I pushed my eyebrow like, you see, but I pushed it like this, and try to go, just follow your eyebrows. You see, as they're turning, you are turning too. So look, when you close, when you come down, you can see that. So if you don't know how to draw your eyebrows, it's easy, it's not so difficult like that. Just push your eyebrows up like this and try to follow. And you'll come down. You see? So when you like that, then you can go and try to connect the lines. This is simple. It's simple. I know other people makes it to look very difficult to draw the eyebrows, but actually it's not. That is how I learned how to draw my eyebrows. And then when you want your eyebrows to be on this, like some people say their, you can see mine, you can see that they're on the same line, but if you feel like your eyebrows are not on the same line, the thing that you can do, just try to come down with this, like this, so that you can have, you know, just try to come down so that you can see if they're on the same line or not. So this is what you're going to get. But we're going to remove that. This is just to show you how to do your eyebrows in a simple and easy way. But like I told you, if you can't draw your eyebrows like this, like I do, just try to pick up your eye like this. I have big eyes. I have big eyes. I have, what am I saying? I have big eyes, guys, so please, so don't judge me. So just try to push, lift, you see, so just draw. If you can't draw it like this, just try to lift it up like this and just draw your eyebrows. So this is how I do my eyebrows. Sometimes I just do a line and I go in with this, pushing my eyebrow, my eye pencil, or should I say my eyeliner, and I'll be doing like this. You just have to go, and that's it. So the next step that you're going to do now, you want to remove the, you want to remove that line that you did. Just take your brush and go in with your brush. Just go in with your brush. As you can see, I already removed it. So this is simple and easy, and then you can continue doing your makeup. Then after, you can come back and try to fix your eyebrows. So right now, the next step that we're going to do is to try to, you can see that my eyebrows are okay, but just because I want them to look more defined and I want them to, you know, should I say them to pop, so I'm going to go in with my concealer. So the concealer that I'm using, I'm going to go ahead and use my Pro LA Girl concealer. So I'm going to take that, and okay, I like to use a brush, so I don't like to use this brush, but I like to go in with my little brush here. It's, wow, it's my everyday eyebrow brush. So right now, what you're going to do, you're just going to go ahead. The next step, if you don't know how to do it like this, just follow the line. If you can't, just do like I told you. Open your eye like this and you just follow that line. See, I'm pushing my eyebrows up so that it can be easy for me to draw to concealer. So you just go ahead and put concealer there. You see, I'm just pushing, so just do that. So this is simple. It's a simple step that I can show you how to do your eyebrows, especially for a beginner. If you don't know how to draw your eyebrows, this is simple way how to draw your eyebrows. It's really simple to do, to draw the eyebrows. It's not so difficult like that. So it's up to you if you want to use the, how can I say, if you want, it's up to you if you want to concealer on top. It's not necessary, but if you want, you can still go and concealer the top one. So you see, you can see, look at the difference of this eye and the onto this eye. So there's a really big difference, because you can see this one, it's more defined and it's more look like it's, you see. So that is why you need to go in with your concealer. So it's up to you. It's if you want. If you don't want, again, it's fine. So you see, so see the difference between this one and this one. Look, when I'm going back, so you can see that this one, it looks more neat than the other one. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing on the next eye. So I'm going to go in and I'll do the same. I'm going to push my eyebrows up and I'm going to go in. See, just try to, don't be quick, just be gentle. Anyone can do makeup. You just need to, like I said the last time with my friend, that I think when it comes to makeup, there are no rules. Just do what works for you. You know, just do what works for you. Don't try to follow what other people are doing. If you see that it's simple how to do, like right now, the way I'm teaching you how to do, I'm doing this for people who don't know how to draw their eyebrows, and they want me to do step by step on how to draw my eyebrows, because most of the time on the video I'm always quicker when I draw my eyebrows. But right now I'm just trying to show you step by step. If you can't draw your eyeliner, your eyebrows like this or like this, just try to push them up like this, because immediately you push your eyebrows like this, they already give you that definition of how your eyebrows going to look. So that is why you see I pushed myself like this, then I go in and try to draw my eyebrows. So let's say you want to, as I told you, there's no need for you to put the concealer on top. Always go in with not with a lighter concealer but with a darker concealer. But just because I'm lazy to go in and look for my darker concealer, so I'm just going to go in with my lighter concealer. So the top one, most of the time it's up to you. Like I'm telling you, do whatever, do whatever you want. You can use the darker one, you can use the lighter one, it's up to you. Do whatever what makes you happy. So right now I'm going to go in with the same concealer that I used, the LA Girl, and you see I'm going to go in and do that again. And see, I'm going to go up and I'm going to go down. This method is just to help you how to, see where you have to go in with your concealer. That's why I'm doing this step, but normally I don't do this. I used to do this when I was learning how to do my eyebrows, because no one taught me how to do my own eyebrows. I taught myself how to do my eyebrows, because I tried to follow everyone what they were doing, but at the end of the day it was so difficult for me. So I just told myself, you know what, the only thing that I can do, let me try my own method of seeing if I can be able to do like I'm doing this. Someone else will try to do it and someone else will say it doesn't work for me, you know. So most of the time I don't do like this. I just go and follow. The only thing that you need to do is just try to follow your eyebrows. You already draw them, so it will show you where you have to go. It's easy. You just follow your eyebrows and you see I go up and I come down. And guys, it's not every day that I want to do my eyebrows and they come out as like this. Sometimes so right now I finish drawing my eyebrows, so I'm going to go ahead and take the same brush that I used to put my concealer, to put my foundation, and I'm going to just rub that so that I don't have harsh lines when it comes to concealer. And I'm going to go ahead and try to make just a point there, but I'll fix them when I finish, so I'm not worried about my eyebrows. I think that I'll just finish. A call came in, so I had to answer a call. So see, now this is the eyebrows that you have. So this is how the eyebrows looks now. You won't see me well because of them. You can see them well because of the light. Let me try to push this light in there. So this is the eyebrows. This is how they look, and just try to. So this is how the eyebrows looks now. So the next step. Thank you guys for stopping by. So I hope you learned how to do your eyebrows now. I shall see you again on my next video, and I shall post the complete video of this makeup look.